how to fix a maximum number of attempts on TikTok. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you fix the login issue on your TikTok like maximum number of attempts on TikTok. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open settings on your iPhone. Alright, so after you open the settings, you'll get such interface. So from your tap on General and now from your tap on iPhone storage. Okay, so from your scroll down and find the application TikTok. Alright, so from your tap on upload app. Alright, tap on upload. Okay, so from your you'll have to just again tap on the option reinstall app. Alright, so after you complete reinstall app from here, you'll have to just back from here and from here you'll have to just scroll down at the bottom and go the option apps. And now from here you'll have to just find out the application TikTok. Alright, so after you find the application, just tap on the TikTok. And now from here make sure that you have allowed these options like background app refresh. So you have to just turn on the options like background app refresh, and after you turn off this, you'll be able to fix that problem. So if you are still facing that problem on your TikTok, you'll have to just tap and hold your application TikTok, and after you hold it, you'll have to just tap on the option remove app, and after you delete the application from your iPhone, you'll have to just again install from the app store, and from here you'll have to just again open your TikTok app, and from there you'll have to just try to log in with your TikTok ID, and from there your problem might be solved now. So this is the easiest and simplest method. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.